There's two speeds with which to grow your YouTube channel. The fast way is to jump on a hot trend, whereas a slower, more steadier way is to do videos on evergreen topics. In this video, I compare the pros and cons of trending topics versus evergreen topics to grow your YouTube channel, so you can decide for yourself which is better. My name is Herman Drost from drostdesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's first look at the cons of trending topics. Number one, competition. If you're not one of the first ones to jump on a hot trend, it's quite likely that your competitors will rank well ahead of your videos. If your trending video doesn't appear on the first page of the YouTube search results, then you're probably not going to get much traffic. Number two, no ranking guarantee. If your video meets the same trending criteria on YouTube as your competitors, then it's possible that they'll only show the most relevant video. Number three, short-term traffic. If the people that subscribe to your channel based on a trend that lasts a very short time, they may not return to watch future videos. Number four, difficult to find trending topics. Even if you find a trending topic, you may not have enough information to create a video about it. Let's look at the pros of trending topics. Number one, attracts a ton of viewers and subscribers fast. If you're one of the first ones to jump on a trending topic, then the possibility of your video being seen in YouTube search and YouTube suggested videos is very high. As a result, you'll get a ton of traffic and you'll see a spurt of growth on your YouTube channel. A great example is the Shearer brothers, which jumped on the fidget spinner trend and created a silly string fidget spinner video. As a result, it's currently received over 20 million views only after 1 year, and it's one of the most top watched videos on their channel. I'll link to the video in the card. Another example is where I created a video based upon the new requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. As a result, this video got a ton of views in a very short time. Click the link in the card to see the full case study. Number two, no need to worry about audience retention or average view duration. These are two of the top ranking factors that help your videos get discovered on YouTube. However, if you find a trending topic that people are very interested in, then these factors won't matter very much. Number three, possibility of going viral. If you're one of the first ones to create a video on a hot trend, the possibility of having a mini viral campaign is very high. There's also a possibility, if you jump on the trend a little later, that you'll still get a ton of views. If you want to know how to find trending topics on YouTube, click the link in the card. I also share a case study on my channel where one of the videos generated a ton of views based upon a trend on YouTube. Let's look at the pros and cons of evergreen topics. Here are the cons. Number one, your videos may flop. Even though you may do a ton of keyword research and optimize your video, there's a chance that your video may flop. It may not appear in YouTube search or YouTube suggested videos. You feel like you've wasted your time. Number two, your videos may go out of date. For example, in my niche, I do tutorials on how to grow your channel on YouTube. When YouTube changes their design, updates their rules, or removes a feature, then I have to redo the video. This means the old tutorials, which are now out of date, no longer receive traffic. I then have to redo the video and wait for it to get ranked so I can receive traffic again. Number three, slow traffic. When you target an evergreen topic, it may take several weeks for your video to rank in the search engines. This is in contrast to a trending topic that might get a ton of traffic in the first few days or first few weeks. Let's look at the pros of creating videos around evergreen topics. Number one, get long-term traffic. You do the work once and you generate traffic, leads, and sales for years to come. When you target hundreds of terms and create videos for them, this will result in a snowball effect as they pick up speed in the search engines. Number two, generate steady and reliable growth for your channel. Most of the videos and traffic from my channel come from evergreen topics. This is because it's easy to choose a topic and do a series of videos that you can put in a playlist. When somebody clicks on one of the videos in a playlist, they may binge watch a series of videos. This leads to long watch time and helps the videos to appear on other people's channels in suggested videos on the right side of the watch page. What if I can't come up with evergreen topics? No worries, just click the link in the card to watch my video series on how to come up with new video ideas. As you can see, I mostly focus on evergreen topics. However, if you jump on a trending topic, you can quickly boost the growth of a YouTube channel. Let me ask you an important question. How many views has your best video got on your channel? Post a number and the topic in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. If you want to know how to identify what you should improve about your channel or videos, download my free channel evaluation worksheet below and make sure you also subscribe and check out my related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.